Hey, welcome back to another video. Today, we're jumping on board with the trend of whipped coffee. So I'm on my way to a very wonderful place that you can get huge deals on the cheapest stuff ever. And we're gonna go buy some instant coffee. And we're gonna try this. And it's gonna be fun. Without further ado, let's get started. Now there's a surprising amount of people out right now considering the circumstances, but it's nice to see that the highway is nearly empty. Except for that guy. And that guy. Definitely not as busy as it would usually be, though. See, what did I say about freaking good deals? Look at this, a Bluetooth speaker for $4. Where's that price tag? Where's the price tag on that? I swear it said $4 somewhere. And whatever, but aside from that, look, there we go, even got a wireless charger for $4. Look at that, they even got the 941 right on the iPhone. That's how you tell it's legitimate. Knew I'd find it here. And just like that, I bought iced coffee. I keep saying iced coffee. Instant coffee. It was $1, so I decided to get something else because I don't like spending anything less than $2 on my debit card, so yeah. Pro tip, if you want a bag for your items afterwards, make your transaction first and then say, oh, I forgot about something, can I actually get a bag for these? And they will give you the bag for free because typically plastic bags will cost you an extra 5 cents. There you go, you learn something new every day. Alright, good morning. The morning hasn't started because I haven't had coffee yet, so let's do this. So apparently the idea is to mix it around, so I grabbed another one of these thingamajigs. They're delicious. They're filled with this weird stuff inside them, but they're tasty. And so I'm going to try to mix it around and see what we can come up with. So I mixed it around, and now I have this thing that looks like I can't believe it's not peanut butter, but it's really tasty and it's very sweet, so if you have a sweet tooth, I definitely recommend this. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give a thumbs up. If you didn't, then I really don't care. And if you want to see more videos like this, then go and hit subscribe. Question is, would I make this recipe again? Probably not. It's a little sweet. It's more of a treat than an actual morning drink, but I mean, you can go ahead and try it. I will leave the recipe down in the description if I remember to. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day, and I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.